Wow, you're...
10. Is that enough?
Yeah.
10 is not enough. Oh. 10 is enough. 10. But 10. How about 10? Okay, how about this girl? No! I can carry it. Oh, no. That's fine.
Not yet. It's okay, just play. Okay. Here. Okay, go. Where is the big car? Use the big car.
No. I don't want big cars.
Okay.
Oh. We stop. Hey, that's it.
It's okay. Put in here.
Either just multiply. Yeah.
How many? You can.
I got we bought a Christmas.
Yeah,
But
Daddy
it's
give.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this 7. This 7. No.
Okay.
I can play this. 10, you play good though. Okay. Dude, this is 5 better 100 speed ones. She wants it because we have a water canister. 10.
No screaming.
I don't scream. 10. She's 6,000 miles away. And look. It's wings.
Okay,
10.
do race.
They can't wait.
Okay, do race. Come on.
3, 2, wait.
Like that.
Right there.
That's so fun. Okay, come on.
They can play. That's enough.
That's enough. No dancing. Like that.
Oh, what do you want to see the water? What is it?
No screaming.
Mom.
Yeah. Wow, that's a lot. Can you count that? How many?
Mom. Mom.
Count.
Mom.
Yeah.
Connor is in my class. Connor. Can't speak that in my class.
Kuno?
Yes, Connor. Mom, Joey.
That's Bisaya words man kuno.
Mom. Oh, Connor.
Kuno?
No.
Connor. Connor?
No, Connor.
Kuno. Kuno. Like that?
No.
Oh.
10. And that.
That's Bisaya man kuno.
Connor.
I always speak Bisaya to them.
Just wait.
What else, B? Can you follow me? Jed. Si naunsa ka?
It's enough.
Jed, look at me. Si naunsa ka?
Osaka.
Gadua.
Bibuto. Yabuati. Buito.
No, you follow me. Okay.
Sekaya.
Si
Buati. Buito.
si guwapo ko. Guwapo ko. This one. Huh?
This one my guapo poops.
Guwapo. What else? Si mami guwapa. Si
Seafoods.
seafoods.
Yeah.
Si mami mama
Mama.
guwapa.
Guapa. Hi, guapa. Hi, guapa, mommy.
Thank you. What is my full name?
I don't know.
Breezy?
We see me.
Huh?
We see me.
How about Daddy?
Daddy me.
Daddy me. Daddy eh?
Daddy A1.
Okay.
Daddy.
Say
Mom.
Jedediah.
Jedediah Jen.
James Ma.
Kenny Jen.
What's your name, Theodore?
Alexander.
Theodore
Alexander.
Ma.
Kenny.
Good job. How about your sister?
Grace.
Althea.
Grace. Hun.
What color of the...
Mom, you know my least favorite color?
What is it?
Just tell.
Fire truck.
No, it's red. Mom, it's color.
A color.
Mom,
Your favorite color.
Mom,
Yeah, sit down.
You know my least favorite color.
What is your favorite color?
Acid.
Jed.
No, it's purple.
Purple.
Mom, you know my least favorite color.
Can you sit, please?
You know my least favorite color is red. No, black.
Black. You said red. No, it's okay, my love. Don't get mad. Mommy is pink.
Mommy is red. Mom, where the white?
I'm taking video.
Mom,
You sit down.
Mommy, red. Mom, where the white? Red plus white equals pink.
Okay, let's do mathematics. Come on.
No, I don't do.
Okay, let's do mathematics. Jed. Okay.
Okay.
Theodore, 1 plus 1.
2,
2 plus 2.
3,
2 plus 2.
4,
4. 4 plus 4.
8.
8 plus 8.
I don't know.
8 plus 8.
I don't know.
You know. You can't be. Jed, you know what is the answer, Jeb?
16.
Okay, 16 plus 16.
I don't know.
Keep quieted. 32 plus 32.
64.
64 plus 64. 64 plus 64.
128.
128 plus 128.
256.
256 plus 256.
512.
512 plus 512.
512 plus 512. That's how 124.
Good job.
Mom, I pick Huggy Wuggy. Can you do it?
I don't know.
You do it.
Okay, bye for now. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Again. Mom, again. Mom, do it again.
Yeah, I will.
Mom, what times are 24 plus what times are 24? Answer to me.
Okay,
Jen.
bye for now.
Jen, what times are 24 plus what times are 24? Answer.
Okay, I will answer.
Please.
Okay, wait, sa.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Bye.
Wait, sa.